Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video we have here an espresso cities machine with a milk frother attached, and this machine is unusable even though it works almost perfectly, and this is why. So believe me, this is the coffee that or water, the clear water that comes out of this unit without any pod inside. So, as you can imagine, how dirty it is inside of the diffuser plate. So, in this area over here, with time, coffee build up here, a lot of gunk, and yeah, accumulated in this area, and it cannot clean itself. So for this, I want to show you how to disassemble the machine, the easiest way you can do this, and yeah, clean up this part over here. Of course, this leads to additional problems, meaning that a lot of water is dripping inside the capsule chamber over here, and not so much coffee is actually coming to the nozzle as it is intended. So again, this is how it looks like, only with clear water. So let's open it up and see how it is inside. So shortly, for you to see, I will make a demonstration over here and start the machine. Water is coming to the nozzle, and another stream of water comes out over there. So this is unacceptable. I will have to stop it until it will leak all the water on my working bench. So you can see this is unusable at this point, so we need to do something. So I will open it up, and this is how to do it the most easiest way. Okay, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing over here. First of all, let's remove all the accessories like water tank, this milk frother. Let's put it aside. We will have to clean all these accessories afterwards. Yeah, so we will be left only with the unit itself, and then here on the bottom side, look how dirty this unit is. So here on the bottom side, we need to remove some oval shaped screws. Here, here, 3 over here, and 2 additional over here. And for this to be done, yeah, I prepared a special tool. Actually, it's a screw on which I drilled a hole, an oval shaped hole, and this is what I put on the screw, on the oval screw, and that with a Phillips screwdriver I just unscrew it. So I will remove all the screws and then back to the original topic. Okay, so almost done with the screws. As you can see, some Nespresso machine have this type of oval shaped screws. So these are the most annoying screws that you can find in any device, and this is one of them. And it convinced me that the guys from Nespresso, or this producer DeLonghi or Krups or whomever use this screw is just for this unit to be unrepairable. So you cannot find a screwdriver fitted for this in the on the market, so you have to manufacture a screwdriver for it. And usually I want to share my knowledge how I managed to do this. I took a normal screw, a larger one, usually the diameter of the head of the original screw that I wanted to unscrew. Yeah, make a hole in the middle, then put it on a rough surface, and just take a hammer and hammer it down until it gets oval. Then you can put it on the screw head, and with a normal Phillips screwdriver you can unscrew it like this. So hope this is clear, and yeah, you can do it. So here, showing you how it's done. Now I can do it with the hand, and yeah, this is basically it. And if you have yeah, rusted screws like this, just take a little bit of VD40, just a little drop, put it there, and it will get unscrewed really easy. Okay, so let's clean a little bit on the workbench over here. Now we have all the screws taken out, and we can remove the casing. Just lift it up from the base plate just a little bit, and then with a pry tool or anything that you have in hand, you can start disassembly the two sides covering the unit. Doesn't matter from which side you start. Usually I sense that it's best from here because you have enough space to maneuver. So I can tell you this was never opened. The tabs are intact and really hard to open. I will use some trusty screwdrivers. Usually I don't recommend using screwdrivers because you will scratch the finish of the unit. Yeah. And here are some tabs. Just go along the tabs. Like so. And on the other side as well. Just a little bit here to open it up, like so, and then don't worry, these are really hard tabs, so even if you broke them, there's no problem. The casing will fit back together, no problem. So you can use a little bit of force, and that's it. We will put them aside. We will go and clean them with some hot water. Here we have the nozzle which felt already down. And again, here now we have access to the original nozzle, which has the gunk inside. Good. So we still need to remove this upper part. Here we have a plastic part and also this back part over here. So we will remove the buttons, take them out of sight, one on each side. So yeah, here is a tab. Gently press it, don't break it, and then take this, and then here you have two tabs over here and the same on the other side. So you will have to press them. And gently. Okay. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing over here. And finally we can remove this. As you see, this L-shaped cover. And yeah, now we have access to the brewing mechanism, which is the part we want to work on. Of course, we can remove completely the brewing mechanism by removing these two screws over here and two screws over here. These are Torx, T10 Torx. But I think in order to remove the diffuser plate over here and clean it, we will need to remove completely this. And then I will show you what we have to do next. Okay, so if you don't have a Torx, you can use a flathead screwdriver that fits inside that Torx. Yeah, in my case, I will need to use Torx. So it's this one. So it's a T8. Sorry, it's not a T10, it's a T8 Torx. So one over here. One over here. Another one here. And another one over here. And now with a gentle push back, we can remove completely this brewing mechanism, which has inside over there the connection to the water, but I will not disconnect completely. And if we remove this, now we have a lot of access. You can see, yeah, we have access to this diffuser plate, which we will remove now. So unfortunately, we cannot do this with the diffuser, with the brewing mechanism connected. This is a design flaw, or this is how they intended to be done, I don't know. So let me just show you how this looks like, and hopefully you can see that there are tiny holes, that some of them are filled with coffee, so we will need to clean this up. And now we'll have to remove this nozzle over here, which has those two tabs, one here, one over here. So first one is over here, the other one over here. So just look what's inside, and also here, this has to be cleaned as well. So I will go to clean everything up to the sink, and then come back to put everything back together. Okay, so we cleaned the brewing mechanism. As you can see, looks nice and cleaned. So no more coffee. As well, this nozzle over here and the diffuser plate is cleaned, and all the holes are cleaned as well. For sure, the base has to be clean as well. It looks horrific. So I will put everything back together, and then we can test. So yeah, in the end, we are here at the final step. Didn't completely assemble the unit, only the casing needs to be put here, but we have everything in place enough to test. So we have some water. Let's test. So water here, no more water inside the tray, as you can see. So yeah, as you can see, this is how you do it, and I hope you found something useful in this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Why not consider subscribing to my channel, and yeah, help me grow past 10,000 subscribers. This is a huge milestone for me. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.